James. And I'm Bob. And I am Jim. Together, we're the Frog Squad. Yeah. It's such a nice day outside. Look how many clouds are in the sky. I like clouds. Can you help me defeat this Frog Squad? You can? Yay! Woohoo! Yay! This game is awesome. I love it. Look how many Goombas we captured. Oh, we got a moon from shopping. Man, look how big the Odyssey balloon is. Wow. Oh, so many moons. Whoa, 563. Gosh. Time to go to the Cap Kingdom. We're there. Beautiful Cap Kingdom. Oh, I love it. Okay, time to teleport. Bob, push the A button. You got it. Whoa. Okay, we bought a moon. Oh, look at that cheese in the Luncheon Kingdom. Oh, another moon. Is that Peach's castle? Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh, there's an egg on the roof? Oh, it's Yoshi. Oh, we just captured Yoshi? Gosh. Stick tongue out, Yoshi. Guys, I'm kind of hungry. I think we should go get food. Turn it off. Okay, I'll just put it back. Oh, so heavy. Phew. Okay, now. Okay, I know my plan. I'm gonna fly. I'm flying. I wish the stick was invisible. Flying, flying. Oh, wait, is that a Super Mario Odyssey box? Whoa, that's cool. I wonder if a kid made that for their Valentine box. Oh, a moon. Well, I'm stuck. A car. Huh. Time to get in. Whoa. So cool. Maybe I can drive. Close roof. Close roof. Okay, let's go. Beep, beep. Oh, McDonald's Happy Meal. Almost there. Okay, now we're there. We're at the carpet. Now, we made it to the Frog Squad's lair. Look, they're enjoying a sauce-only pizza. Oh, that's disgusting. They have to have cheese or pepperoni. Huh? Guys? Run! Nah, don't fight me. Ow! Oh, Toodles, bring me the shotgun. Thanks, Toodles. Now let's shoot this bird to space. Wait, to space? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why do they use a string? Thanks, Mickey, I guess. No problem. Whenever you need Toodles, bring the shotgun. Thanks for watching. Bye.